Hi, I'm Ken Hecht with SoundTube Entertainment. We're here at ISE showing the new Hub2 amplifier. The idea behind the Hub2 was to decentralize the DSP and get a large DSP out of the system and bring the cost down of a Dante system to that of a 70 volt or 100 volt system. Each Hub2 can run either two 8 ohm speakers or four 16 ohm speakers, and the way they work is they link together. So you can see in the software we have up to 8 zones, and any Hub2 that you put in a zone will work with all the other Hub2s in that zone. So you'll get the same audio. If you change something on a control, it will change on all of them. And if you look over here, you can see we've got a graphic of a mid-sized restaurant with 5 zones, more than one Hub2 in one zone with local inputs. And so these local inputs can override the global system. But if there's an emergency or there's a page, the emergency page can override the local system. So you've got global and local inputs on this system. So for more information on the Hub2, please come visit us at SoundTubeEntertainment.com.